I thanked him again and said I hope to see them back soon, and he helped her into her coat and off they went. I was cheesing about my $100 when about 90 seconds later, he came back in the door. He then walked up to me, and without the slightest hint of embarrassment, says, "Mark the tip down to $5 honey, I was playing it up for my date. You understand me?" And turned around to go. Unfortunately, I couldn't make a scene in the middle of work, and so I said to him, "Okay sir. You'd like to amend your tip from $100 to $5, is that correct?" He shot back, extremely hostile, "Yes, and if I see a cent over I'm going to dispute the whole meal with my credit vendor, so don't try me." He then angrily stormed out, and the most frustrating part of this for me wasn't actually the tip, but rather that this poor girl was being manipulated. I wanted to somehow let her know what had just happened, but sadly I couldn't do much. I was about to go on a smoke break just to clear my head, but then suddenly, something occurred to me and I darted outside hoping to catch them. Luckily for me, they'd parked on the street and he was dealing with the parking meter. I rushed across the street, and as I made it to his window,